Welcome to this tutorial on borrowing ebooks from the library using OverDrive. OverDrive is a large library of ebooks and audiobooks offered through your public library. Here I will show you how to get started. It's quite simple and you may get hooked. Probably the easiest way to get to OverDrive for the first time is through the library's homepage, so I'm starting at PlymouthLibrary.org. On the left here, you can see an icon that says Download. And if you click on it, it will take you to this page. The first option is OverDrive. So now we're at the main page for OverDrive, and you'll want to sign in to your library. And you select which library you belong to, which in my case is the Plymouth District Library. And you enter your library card number. And then when you click Sign In, the fun part begins, and you can choose a book to read. The tabs at the top here can help you browse the collection. And once you make a selection, filters will show up on the left, and these should be familiar to you if you've ever used an online library catalog before. And of course, there's a search bar up at the top. So looking at the results, you can tell if a title is currently available to borrow if it says Borrow. If it says place a hold, then that means it is not currently available, but you can still place a hold on it. To borrow a book, you simply click on Borrow, and it will be automatically added to your loans. The icon of 3 books up at the top here is where you can find your loans. One option you have is to read the ebook right in your browser. The other option is for downloading the ebook so it can be accessed offline and when you're on the go. This is like how you may download music to your mobile device so you can listen to it while traveling. You have 2 choices for downloading ebooks, and you can't do both. One is you can download the ebook as an EPUB, or you can download the ebook to your Kindle account. This is run through Amazon, and you don't have to have a Kindle to do this. Just an Amazon account and any device will work. And that's it. If you need more help, you can always go to the OverDrive help website, which I'll post in the description below.